Today we are going to learn about what upthrust is. The main question is what is upthrust? Okay, we are going to learn about upthrust and it is an interesting topic. I am going to show you some practical demonstrations. Okay, I have taken it. You will know what it is. So, if I will take this ball and if I will insert it or if I will immerse it inside the or into the water, then it will come out like this. Okay, now you will you, you will say that, okay, you can ask question that why the force of gravity is not acting upon this. It is not acting upon it because there is a upward force which is acting on it, and that upward force, my dear students, is called upthrust. Now the practical demonstration ended and we will do some theoretical demonstrations. Okay, I've taken, okay, assume it as this ball and assume this as, you know it but it does not look like this. Okay, and we are taking, we have water, and when we insert it inside this, then there are four type of pressure. One from four sides pressure is acting, one from this side, one from this side, and one from this side, and one from this side. And this pressure is called lateral pressure, lateral something like this, and upward pressure, downward pressure. Okay, the upward pressure, as we know the rule that when the depth increases from the free surface, then the pressure increases. That means that if it is the depth, then the pressure is less on it if compared to if it is the depth. So, and so the due to the pressure difference which we are having, the pressure from here becomes more if compared to the pressure from this. Due to the pressure difference, we know that the we can say that the upthrust occurs. Okay, now here indeed. And what is archimedes principle? We are going to know about what is archimedes principle also. And okay, at first, what is Pascal pressure? Okay, we are going to know about what Pascal pressure is. Okay, if we have any confined liquid, okay, if we have any confined liquid, and if the force from one part of the confined liquid means closed liquid, okay, closed liquid, and we have some airtight pistons, and if the force from this piston will act upon it, then it will act equally on all three sides, so that we can prove from here that what is Pascal pressure. If the force is acted upon a confined liquid, then if the force is acted upon a confined liquid, if I move this piston, then it will be transmitted equally in all the direction in that confined liquid. Okay, pressure gets transmitted equally in all the direction. That is called 1 Pascal pressure. Now we are going to know about what is Archimedes principle, my friends. Okay, Archimedes principle is an interesting thing. Today I am taking, okay, it teared up. I am taking one something like this. Okay, and I am going to do one thing. The thing is, if we will insert is, okay, practical examination only. If we will insert it, okay, if we will insert it, then then what will happen is some amount of water will be displaced, or some amount of water, some, if I have displaced it, then some amount of water rises. And if that some amount of water rises, then that is called displaced water. And when it's wet, its original weight is, when it gets inserted in this liquid, then it will feel an upthrust, no? Then that upthrust will be equal to the weight of the liquid or weight of the water which is displaced by it. Okay, if it has displaced some amount of water, then the upthrust will be equal to the weight of the water which is displaced by it. And this formula says this like only thing. We have some more practical demonstration also, but if this video will get like 100 likes, then I will do that demonstration also. And the another thing is, guys, the another thing are we have all another topic, important topic also. Not this topic is only the important thing, some another important topic also, and we will in another lessons like light something like also. And if I will get 100 like thing, then I will do I can do 100 to 100 more demonstration also. So please support my channel, guys.